Well, here locally, prosecutors in Fulton County are trying to make sure 2 law enforcement members charged with murder in Jamarian Robinson's death are prosecuted in Fulton County and not in federal court.
Yeah, in late October, the defendant's attorneys requested the case be moved to federal court where they could seek immunity. This week, though, prosecutors objected. Joe Higgins has been tracking the back and forth here that could decide the future of this case. Joe?
Jennifer, so far a federal judge has not ruled if this case will move to federal court or stay in Fulton County, but attorneys on both sides have now both made their arguments. In late October, a Fulton County grand jury indicted and charged US Marshal Eric Hines and Clayton County Officer Christopher Hutchins with felony murder for the 2016 killing of Jamarian Robinson. Hutchins was part of a US Marshal's task force attempting to arrest Robinson. They say he had a gun. Robinson, who was wanted on warrants out of Atlanta and Gwinnett, was shot 59 times, according to a medical examiner's report. Body camera video of the confrontation does not exist, but cell phone video captured audio of nearly 3 minutes of gunfire. Days after being indicted, the defendant's attorneys filed motions in federal court requesting the case be moved so they could attempt to receive immunity as federal officers. Here is Hutchinson's attorney, Don Samuels.
A rare procedure that we are invoking to protect his rights because he was a federal official. He was acting under federal authority. So he's not subject to state prosecution.
This week, though, the Fulton County District Attorney's Office filed its own motions claiming the case must stay in Fulton County. Prosecutors wrote federal immunity has never extended so far as to place government officials beyond the reach of criminal law. For Hutchins, prosecutors argue he cannot claim federal immunity as he is only a state employee. He was deputized as a U.S. Marshal, but deputization alone does not convert a state officer into a federal officer, according to the DA's office. For Hines, prosecutors argue federal law does not allow him to have his case moved or receive immunity because he allegedly violated Robinson's constitutional rights, and the Marshal's task force was not authorized to execute the warrants Robinson was wanted on. Both Eric Hines and Christopher Hutchins are out of jail on bond. No date has been set for when a federal judge could rule whether this case remains in Fulton County or if it is in fact moved to federal court. Jennifer.
All right, Joe, thank you so much.